Hey pre-algebra class, how you doing? Welcome to Mr. Chow time. We're writing equations. So last time we practiced solving the equations, and I think before that we solved simpler equations. So now we're gonna write the equations ourselves. Lesson 8, page 339. Writing equations. Equations are used to represent some sort of real-life situation. This is especially helpful when some part of the real-life situation varies depending on a part of the situation. So the example I always go to, because everyone kind of understands this pretty easily, is if I get into a taxi and the taxi charges 85 NT per kilometer. I'm sorry, no, the taxi charges $5 per kilometer. $5 per kilometer and 85 NT to enter the taxi. Then how much will a taxi cost? Well, we can write an equation to represent the situation. And part of the situation varies, right? It changes. So what changes is the amount of kilometers that we ride the taxi for. So this is an example of a situation that requires an equation with variables. So let's take a look at this other example. A power adapter, that's what you use to plug into your laptop, right? Costs $50 more than a docking station. The total cost of the accessories is $630. You can summarize the information by writing an equation. So the power adapter is 50 more than a docking station. In the docking station, we don't know how much that is. It's some amount, right? So we would just call that X. It could vary, we don't know. But we do know that when we add the total cost of the accessories, it's $630. So when we add the power adapter in the docking station, right? So 630 is equal to the power adapter, which is 50 plus X, right? Which is the docking station, X. And then we add the docking station itself, which is another X. Then this is the total cost. We can combine like terms here. So this is 2X. 50 plus 2X equals 630. So this here is our situation summarized as a math sentence. Let's take a look at another example. Kevin has 6 shirts. This is 4 less than twice the number of shirts N that J has. So Kevin has 6. This is 4 less than twice the number of shirts N that J has. We don't know how many J has, right? But we do know that J equals N, Kevin equals 6, 4 less than. So it's actually the other way around, right? The subtraction needs to be over here. Twice the number N that J has. This equals 6. Kevin has 6 shirts. This is 4 less than twice the number that J has. There we go. Okay. Let's take a look at another one. Jeremy has 13 baseball cards. Jeremy has 13 baseball cards, which is 7 more. So Jeremy has 7 more than 1/5 the number M Michael does. Okay, so we can replace this with 13, right? Because J equals 13. 13 equals 7 plus 1/5 m. So this kind of just takes practice. Practice looking at the sentences, writing it in different ways. You might find that it's easier to make notes. How I try to do it is that, I just try to break the sentences down into little math pieces, and I'll show you that in the your turn coming up here. All right, let's say Veronica has 24 stickers. This is 6 less than twice the number of stickers and Owen has. So Veronica, 24. Owen, we don't know. Owen, so we'll just make that n, right? N is the number that Owen has. This is referring to the number of stickers that Veronica has, right? And is often an equal sign. So 24 equals 6 less than, so we're going to subtract 6 from something, twice the number of stickers, n, twice the number n that Owen has. So it's 24 equals 2n minus 6. All right, let's say that Nina's father was 29 years old when Nina was born. Okay, so Nina's father was 29 when Nina was born. This year, currently, the sum of their ages is 53. Find their ages. So this year, their sum is 53. Well, the father is always going to be 29 plus Nina's age, right? So this year, it's going to be the father plus Nina equals 53. Well, we already know what f is, so we can plug this into f. 29 plus n equals 53. So now we've put this 29 plus n into the f. And then we have two n's. So it means 29 plus, we're going to combine those to be 2n equals 53. Your turn. Marvin saved $D last month. This month, he saved $80 more than 3 times the amount he saved last month. He saved a total of $1,410, right? And solve an equation. Okay, so here we're going to actually solve the equation. Welcome back. Marvin saved $D. This month he saved 80 more than 3 times the amount he saved last month, which is last month $D. Yep. So this is this month. This is last month. He saved a total, so we're going to add these two, of 1410. So 80 plus 4D equals 1410. So here's our equation. Then we're going to solve it. Subtract 80 from both sides. 4D equals 1410, 1470, 1370. And then divide by 4. D equals, 4 goes into 13 3 times. 1, 17. 4 times, 16, 1. Oh, did I do this wrong? $1370 divided by 4. Nope, it is 432.5. I didn't think there'd be a decimal here. Probably because this is in USD. Okay, $432.50. One more example. Amber collected pledges for a charity walkathon. That means that she will go on a charity walk, and then for every amount that she walks, in this case miles, people will give her some amount of money. So she received total contributions of $6,550. So some people just gave her some money, plus $2,175 for every mile that she walks. How many miles will she need to walk to raise $37,000? So she got $6,550, right? So that's just an amount of money. Plus she gets $2,175 for every mile that she walks. So we're just going to make M equal to every mile that she walks. And she gets $2,175 for every M. And she wants to earn $37,000. So how many miles will she need to walk? That's what we want to find out, right? $30,500 divided by 2,175. I don't feel like doing that in my head. And plus, I'd probably make a mistake. Divided by 2,175. M would equal 14.02. So how many miles will she need to walk? She would need to walk 15 miles. 15 miles. Okay. Last, your turn. Jasmine bought 6 pencils, all the same price, as a gift for Tiffany. The price to wrap them in wrapping paper was $50, and the total cost was $854. So it's $50 no matter what, plus the cost of 6 pencils, all of them at the same price. So this is our equation, right? So how are we going to get the price per pencil? Well, we'll just solve it. 6p equals 804. P equals 1. This is a 6. 1 and 2, 23, 24, 24, 24. Yeah, that's 4. Yeah. If I do it harder, oh, look at that. If I push down harder, it makes it thicker. All right, $134. Here's your must do. See ya.